Hello friends, today's topic, today why these shares rallied and crashed. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Due to various announcements, news or quarterly results, certain famous stocks have moved significantly up or down today. We are discussing brief reasons for the movement of some stocks today. These were the big movers today. 1. Wipro. As expected and mentioned in our video 2 days back, Wipro shares fell by around 9.2% today after the company delivered slightly weak results. The revenue of April-June 2024 was slightly lower than the revenue of January-March 2024. As such, it is not very bad. However, considering that the competitors such as TCS and Infosys reported 2 to 3% growth compared to January-March 2024 quarter, Wipro's performance looks very ordinary. The revenue was below expectations, but the profit was above expectations. Wipro also revised its prediction of revenue July-September 2024 quarter. Revenue is expected to fall by up to 1%. The business situation does not improve or rise by up to 1% if there is any positive surprise. The stock price has gone up by 38% the last 1 year compared to a rise of 25% for Nifty. Revised target price of Wipro. Nomura says target after results 600, Citi 495, Nuama 530, Choice Broking 558, Motilal Oswal 500, Morgan Stanley 459. Approximate current price of Wipro is 506. Now the movers and shakers of today. Second one, Reliance Industries. As expected, Reliance Industries were very weak today and fell by around 3.5%. The results were average. Analysts expected a better growth in the revenue and profit. The shares had fallen by 4% in London markets on Friday evening. Hence, today's fall in our markets was reflecting the stock price fall there. Revised target price of Reliance Industries, Nomura 3,600, Motilal Oswal 3,435, Nuama 3,786, Jeffries 3,525, Antique Broking 3,268, Kotak Institutional Equities 3,300. Approximate current price 3,001. Third company, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank shares fell by 3.4% today as a reaction to the quarterly result announced on Saturday. The results looked good until it was observed by analysts that the net profit included the money received from stake sale in Kotak General Insurance. So if that is excluded, the results were below analysts' expectation. Even the net interest margin of Kotak Bank has fallen from 5.6% in June 2023 to 5.02% in June 2024. This was also lower than the analysts' expectations. So, investors would have booked profits. Kotak Bank share price was 1,638 after the fall on 4th June. Today, after 3% fall, it is rupees 1,758. It had gone up to a high of 1,853 on 8 July. Revised target price of Kotak Bank. Morgan Stanley 2,300. Motilal Oswal after the results 1,800. Jeffries 1,960. Bernstein 1,750. JM Financial 1,830. Approximate current price 1,758. The fourth stock, the movers and shakers today, HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank was one of the top gainers in Nifty 50 index today. Went up by 2.2% in reaction to the quarterly results. The results were above analyst estimates. We had made a video on HDFC Bank results on Sunday, that is yesterday. Revised target price of HDFC Bank. Brokerage firm Jeffries, target price after quarter results 1,890. Goldman Sachs, target price after quarterly results 1,927. JP Morgan, target price after quarter results 1,700 and earlier target price 1,800. Nomura 1750, Nuama 1850, earlier target price 1750, approximate current price 1643. End of the video, here is the question. Would you like to watch regular videos on explaining reasons for stock price movement? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.